Hi, my name is Valentina Sanchez and this is my math project. I'm start reading the problem. A rectangular storage container with an open top is to have a volume of 10 meters cubics. The length of its base is twice the white material of the base. Cost 10 per square meter, and material for the sides cost 6 per square meter. Find the cost of the materials for the cheapest such container. So the idea of this problem is to find the cost of the base and the two sides. So first I identify the height, the result of height, and is 5 divided L2. So this is all the equation. This is the first diagram, that is height, base, and a side. This is the two sides, and this is the base. In the upper part is not in the upper part. We don't have to identify nothing because it's open. Then we have to identify the areas of the base and the two sides. And this is the equation of the base, and this is the result, that is 2L squared. Then the result of the area of the first side, this is the result, and then the area of the side number 2, this is the result. Then we have to put the total area, that is add all the equations, and then we have to add these two equations because are equal, and this is the result, 2L2 plus CLH. We have to replace the equivalent, that is in H, and replacing the equation that is in the total area. And this is the result of this equation. This is the cost of the total area, that is 10 2L2 plus 6 30L. And let's simplify and add the equations, and this is the result. To find the cost, we have to derivate, and here are all the equations. So this is the equation for L. We have to clear L for find the result for the sides, for the lengths, for the measures. Okay, and the measure of L is 3.30 meters. The measure of L2 is 1.65, and the height is 1.83. So this is the final diagram, that is with the measures 3.30 and all that it says that here. Then I find the cost of the base, and is find 0.45 meters squared. And then the cost of the two sides, and is 9.9. And finally I find the total cost of the two sides, that is base and the two sides, and is $113.85. And this is the final model. That is the container, and is in the base is 3.30 meters, and the first side, that is 1.65 meters, and the second side, that is 1.83 meters.